think the main building's really welcoming. It's a really nice space when you come in. It's a lovely exhibition space, so you've got the chance to kind of really look around and stop and reflect. Lisa Llewellyn I hadn't heard of before tonight, and coming to see it was just really inspired, I think, for me, how you've responded to a member of the public, a school child suggestion, and that you've really incorporated their ideas into the museum's fabric, so amazing.
Fantastic resource. I mean, there's been a huge amount of time and effort and money gone into this wonderful recreation of the past.
The Kleeskullen is very interesting and inspiring building, and what strikes me most is that the way you do the interactive learning.
Fantastic to hear about how we're engaging with people of all ages. This is how I want my culture, my society to be reflected, and it's a marvellous national asset.
It's important for me to support the museum because this is a record of what we do, this is a record of how we live, and we need to preserve this for the next generation and make sure that they know that it's also for them to be involved in.